Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In previous lecture we have discussed about Swat and Hazara region in detail. After Swat and Hazara region we have discussed about Kohistan magmatic arc, and now I will try to discuss about the area of Karakoram. It is the Karakoram region, and Karakoram region is on the north of MKT, and Karakoram region is east-west oriented, and mostly there are metasedimentary and igneous rocks are in the Karakoram region. In the middle area of the Karakoram region there are batholiths. On the south of Karakoram region there are metasediment or metamorphosed rocks, and on the northern side of the Karakoram region there are marine sediments. There are limestone and their age is Permian, and on the southern side of the Karakoram region the age is late Paleozoic. Karakoram was the part of Gondwana which was in the south. It is separated from Gondwana and go to the north. The most youngest sediments of the Karakoram region are marine sediments, and the age of the marine sediments is Jurassic. So Karakoram attached with Eurasian plate in Jurassic age. So remember students, the most youngest part of the Karakoram region is marine sediments, and these marine sediments are mainly exposed in the north of the Karakoram range, and Karakoram attached with the Eurasian plate in Jurassic age. And with respect to the lithology, there are inverted metamorphic grades. So there are different types of metamorphic grades, or the examples of the metamorphic grades. Number one is sterolite schist, and another is sillimanite, and after that there are Hunza Dykes, and which are the sillimanite grade. And remember that there are collision of plates take place in Eocene age, that was Indian and Eurasian plate. So there are 2 or 3 metamorphic grades. One is sterolite or kyanite, and another is sillimanite. And in the part of Hunza there are Hunza Dykes, and the grade is sillimanite grade. And 3 important features about the Karakoram region are that before 70 to 75 million years ago, folding and thrusting of Karakoram sediments take place. So before 70 to 75 million years ago, there are folding and thrusting of North Karakoram sediments take place. And another feature is that before 50 to 45 million years ago, their lower crustal part of the plate starts melting. So the lower crustal plate starts melting before 50 to 45 million years ago, and sillimanite grade metamorphism take place. So sillimanite grade metamorphism take place before 50 to 45 million years ago in Karakoram region. And in the southern Karakoram region before 10 to 15 million years ago, and there are contact metamorphism take place, and sterolite grade metamorphism take place in the southern region of the Karakoram region. So viewers, it is all about the Karakoram region and tectonics of the Karakoram region. I hope all of you enjoy these information, and these are the very solid information about the Karakoram region of Pakistan.